Lions are not just the kings of the jungle, they are one of the most fascinating and complex creatures on the planet. If you've ever marveled at their power, grace, and teamwork, you know just how incredible these animals are. What makes lions so special? It's not just their size or strength, it's their ability to work together, adapt, survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Lions are unique among big cats because, unlike tigers, leopards, and cheetahs, they live and hunt in groups called prides. This social structure gives them a huge advantage over their solitary relatives, and it's what allows them to take down massive prey like buffalo, giraffes, and even elephants. But their strength in numbers isn't the only thing that makes lions terrifyingly efficient predators. It's their intelligence, their strategic thinking, and their ability to communicate and coordinate their actions. Unlike most big cats that hunt alone, lions rely on teamwork. In a pride, it's the females, called lionesses, who do most of the hunting. They work together in a coordinated effort, using precise roles to surround and capture their prey. Some lionesses act as wings, circling the prey, while others stay in the center, waiting to ambush when the prey runs towards them. This division of roles increases the likelihood of a successful hunt. They're not just hunting for food, they're hunting together, using strategy to trap their prey. And it's not just the lionesses that play a role in their survival. The male lions, with their huge manes, defend the pride and protect the cubs from rival males and other threats. These roles are ingrained in their biology, and each member of the pride knows exactly what they must do to survive and thrive. The roar of a lion is one of the most powerful and iconic sounds in the animal kingdom. But it's not just for show. A lion's roar is a tool for communication and dominance. Lions use their roars to mark their territory, letting other lions know that this area belongs to them. But it's not just the roar that signals their power, it's the entire presence of a lion. The male lion's mane, for instance, serves as a visual marker of strength. It tells other males that this lion is dominant, healthy, and capable of defending the pride. Lionesses are attracted to males with large, dark manes, as it signals a strong and virile lion who can protect the pride. However, this majestic mane comes at a cost. It can be incredibly hot in the African savanna, and male lions often spend long hours in the shade to avoid overheating. Despite the challenges, the mane remains an essential feature of the lion's dominance and attractiveness. When it comes to hunting, lions are formidable in more ways than one. Their hunting tactics are often executed at night, when they use their superior night vision to track and chase down prey. Lions have a remarkable ability to see in low-light conditions thanks to a specialized layer of cells in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum. This reflective layer enhances their ability to detect movement and contrast at night. This makes them exceptional nocturnal predators, as they are able to stalk their prey with precision and speed. Lions also have an impressive ability to sprint at incredible speeds. They can accelerate from 0 to 50 miles per hour in just seconds, closing the gap between themselves and their prey. This combination of stealth and speed makes lions exceptional hunters, capable of taking down animals much larger than themselves. But lions are not just about raw strength and speed. They are also incredibly intelligent. Unlike tigers and other big cats, lions can solve problems by observing each other. They learn from their experiences and adapt. This is not a common trait among all big cats. Lions' intelligence is seen in their ability to coordinate their hunts. Each lioness knows her role, and by sticking to it, she increases the pride's chances of a successful hunt. Lions have also been observed solving complex puzzles, showing that their intelligence goes beyond basic survival instincts. They can remember how to complete tasks, even after months have passed, which shows an impressive level of memory and learning. Another extraordinary aspect of lions is their social structure. While other big cats prefer to be solitary, lions thrive in groups. This social behavior is believed to have evolved due to the unique landscape they live in. In the African savanna, resources like food and water can be scarce. By forming prides, lions can share resources, protect each other, and increase their chances of survival. Lionesses, for example, will help each other raise cubs, with all the females in a pride contributing to the care and protection of the young. Cubs are not just raised by their biological mothers, they are nursed and protected by other females in the pride, ensuring the survival of the next generation. However, life in a pride is not without its dangers. Rival males will often try to take over a pride, and when they do, they sometimes kill the cubs to ensure that their own offspring take their place. This is a brutal reality of life in the wild, but it also highlights the importance of working together for survival. Lions' social behavior is also evident in their territorial instincts. The pride defends its territory from outsiders, and this defense is crucial for their survival. Lions use their roars not only to communicate with each other, but also to warn rival lions that this territory is already claimed. In the case of male lions, they will patrol the borders of the pride's territory, ensuring that no other males invade their space. These territorial disputes can be fierce, and sometimes they result in intense fights between rival males. The protection of their territory, however, ensures that the pride has access to vital resources like water and prey. Lions are also capable of exhibiting behavior that is rare among predators. For example, lions sometimes form alliances with other predators like hyenas, despite being fierce competitors. This can happen in areas where resources are abundant, and it shows that lions are capable of social cooperation even outside their own species. They also share food within the pride, allowing weaker members, like the young and elderly, to feed. This cooperative behavior ensures that the pride remains strong and each lion gets what it needs to survive. Despite their impressive hunting abilities, lions also have to face challenges. They rely on the cooperation of the pride to hunt successfully, and they face threats from both within and outside their group. However, their ability to adapt and work together has allowed them to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. They are not just kings of the jungle because of their size or strength. They are kings because of their ability to survive through cooperation, intelligence, and raw power. In some rare cases, lions can turn to hunting humans, though this is not common. The infamous man-eating lions of the Tsavo River in Kenya, who killed over 100 people in the 1890s, are a stark reminder that, when pushed to the edge, lions can adapt to their environment in ways that are unexpected and terrifying. However, these cases are often the result of factors like injury, illness, or a lack of natural prey. Lions, by nature, prefer to hunt animals that are easier to catch and provide a better return on energy spent. The question of why lions live in groups remains a mystery. Some scientists believe that the social structure of lions evolved not just for hunting, but for other survival strategies, such as territory defense and protection from outside threats. By living in prides, lions increase their chances of defending valuable resources like water and food, and ensure the survival of their cubs. This social structure gives them an edge over other big cats, who often struggle to survive alone in harsh environments. What makes lions so unique is the perfect balance of strength, intelligence, and social behavior. They are the only big cats to evolve this way, and it's what sets them apart from the rest. Their ability to work together, adapt to their environment, and protect each other makes them one of the most fascinating species in the animal kingdom. From their powerful roars to their strategic hunts, lions truly are the kings of the African savannah.